What's good, YouTube? We back with another video. If y'all new, like, comment, hit that sub button, man, because today we got another union called FNBO. So I took a little time, did a little research on it, and they only had 2 credit cards, one being a secured and unsecured credit card. So you don't have to make them one of your banks. You don't have to enroll, apply to become a member or anything. You can simply just apply for their credit cards. But today I want to actually show y'all their mortgage loans. So if you're getting into real estate, buy your first property, if you're gonna fix and flip, whatever the case is, the 3 products that I'm about to show you might help you get into that. So but before we actually get into it, I want to show you the 2 credit cards, the unsecured and secured credit cards. So as you guys can see right here, we're at the FNBO homepage. So we're gonna take a look at their credit cards. So as you can see, this is their evergreen unsecured credit card. So it says earn unlimited 2% cash back on every purchase, every day, everywhere. $200 cashback bonus, blah blah blah. No rewards expirations, so the rewards don't expire. 0% introductory APR for the first 12 billing cycles. So in that open and closing state, you get 12 of those. No APR, so you don't gotta worry that for 12 billing cycles. So that's basically a year. After that, the APR based on the prime rate will be between $14.99 and $23.99 APR, depending on your credit worthiness. So this is gonna be their unsecured evergreen credit card, but you guys can pre-qualify by hitting this pre-qualify button right here. Once you hit it, you're just gonna type in your zip code, because their products vary on your location or whatever. It says it right here. Some of our products might be different depending on your location. So you're gonna type in your zip code, and then the application should pop up. So you have the first name, last name, residence, city, blah blah blah. The rest pretty self-explanatory. You're just gonna fill it out, and it says right here, by clicking check for the card offers, I acknowledge that I have reviewed my information carefully and understand that this is not a credit card application and that my credit score won't be affected. So you're just gonna get pre-qualified. They give you a credit score, not a credit score, they give you a credit limit, and then once you accept that offer, that's when they hard pull you, then you have an inquiry. So this is just their application, but their unsecured credit card. So if you're just growing credit or whatever the case is, get as many unsecured credit cards as you can. Get 4, 5, 6, get a lot. This is their secured Visa credit card. As you guys see, no annual fee, take control, help rebuild your credit, whatever. Request your own credit limit by providing a single deposit of $300 between $5,000. So boom, once you deposit, that'll serve as your limit. You guys know how a secured credit card works. So they have only 2 credit cards, but you guys can pre-qualify if you want to see if you'll get approved for their secure one. We'll give you a limit. Once you accept it, they hard pull you. But I want to take a look at their mortgage loan. So this is for people who's trying to get into real estate. If you're trying to get a property, if you're trying to fix it and flip it, if you're trying to refinance a current property that you have, Airbnb, whatever the case is, trying to buy a property, FNBO has some cool products. They have 3 that caught my attention. So we're going to take a look right now. So the 3 that caught my attention is ARM, which is adjustable rate mortgage. You can adjust the rates, jumbo loan, and construction loan. So we're gonna take a look at the construction loan. So if you're gonna fix and flip, meaning you're gonna buy a distressed property, right? You're gonna look on Zillow, Redfin, you're gonna find a distressed property, you're gonna fix and flip it, see what needs to be done, carpet, paint, countertops, backsplash, whatever. Here you can get your loan to start fixing and flipping your first property. So you guys can see right here, it says expert advice before you start planning. So you guys you can actually get expert advice on what needs to be done in the house or whatever. As little as 10% down, and it's a simplified process. So 10% down, that's all you gotta put is 10% down. So that's just if you're trying to fix and flip your first property, right? Another one that I seen is a jumbo loan. If you guys don't know what a jumbo loan is, this is where you can get literally up to $2 million to $3 million, almost $4 million in funding. But reason why is because it's real estate. So, there's really little risk. It's still risk, but it's not a big risk. So jumbo loan. You guys can see right here, it says, what do you get with a jumbo loan? Loans amount up to $3 million. So you get up to $3 million. Loan to value up to 85%. FICO as low as 720. So all you need is a 720 FICO score. Cash out up to 70% loan to value. No mortgage insurance required. So Right here, big dreams require big mortgage solutions. So you can get a jumbo loan up to $3 million with a 720 FICO score. That's if you're trying to get your first huge property, if it's a mansion, whatever it is. This is their jumbo loan. You guys should take a look. The link is gonna be in the description for y'all. And then the third one is their FHA loan. So, I mean, not their FHA loan, their ARM loan. So, take a look at the ARM loan, adjustable rate mortgage. So you can adjust the rate mortgage. It can either go higher or lower. So this is also good if you're trying to get a loan and you're not trying to deal with that same rate. So the ARM can offer a flexible option for homeowners. You will start with a lower interest rate than you would than a fixed product. So you'll start with a way lower interest rate than any other normal product, but it is subject to increase or a decrease. So that's the thing. It doesn't just decrease; it can also increase. But later on, I'll go into another video on what actually adjusts your ARM rate and all that, but that's a whole nother topic. They got these other loans here. This is just for like doctors and stuff. They can easily get a mortgage loan, or a VA loan is for veterinarians. They can easily get a loan. Conventional loan, which is like a loan that's not insured by the government, so it has nothing to do with the government. They got a professionals loan. So this is for like professional people that work in like a professional workplace, like architects and shit like that. They can get their loan. And then FHA loan, which is the U.S. Federal Housing Administration, some shit like that, which is basically getting a loan from the government, from the U.S. government. And then they have a refinance option, which is every bank or every union has a refinance option. You can refinance your loan with them, and they just give you different terms, different monthly terms, and different rates and stuff with them. So other than that, that's their mortgage loan. So those three caught my attention there: ARM loan, jumbo loan, and construction loan. So if you guys are getting into real estate, or you guys are trying to get into fixing and flipping your first property, you guys can get a loan with FNBO. So and especially if you're trying to get your first huge property, if it's going to be a mansion or whatever it's going to be, and you're trying to Airbnb it out, make your $1,000, $5,000 a day, get your jumbo loan, 720 FICO score, and you'll be approved. And you'll talk to a loan officer, figure out the plans, make sure you have your property that you're already trying to buy, and just run through the plan. That simple. So that's their mortgage loans. And they have 2 credit cards. They don't have no secured savings account or no credit builder loans. No, they just have credit cards. And the main thing that caught my attention is their mortgage loan. So FNBO Credit Union. You guys can check it out. The link is gonna be in the description for y'all. But other than that, till the next video is gonna be more on unions, more on actually how to lease or rent out a property, or if you're just trying to get funding for yourself or whatever you're trying to do. So other than that, like, comment, hit that sub, man. Appreciate all y'all who tuned in. Till the next video. Peace.